Hi, this is Eric. I'm the lab manager at the Business Research Institute here at the University of Oregon. This video will go over what you need to do in order to complete the marketing research requirement. So all University of Oregon students who are doing a marketing course need to complete the marketing research requirement. You participate in 2 hours of real studies. It opens up at 8 a.m. on Monday of week 8, and it is due by 5 p.m. on Friday of week 7. Now it's very important to note that all of the studies will disappear, go offline at 5 p.m. So you need to be sure to plan for enough time in order to fully participate and complete 2 hours worth of studies by 5 p.m. on Friday of week 7. The studies can take place online or in the lab. If it's online, you can just sign up right then and complete it right then. If it's in the lab, you will need to sign up and plan in advance. We have a tutorial on participating in lab studies for more details. This will be 3% of your course grade, and it's experiential learning. So you actually get to learn by participating in these studies that our faculty have designed to look at some aspect of consumer psychology. And you'll sign up for your studies through Sona. It's very important. This is the Marketing Sona website. We have a video tutorial on how to navigate Sona, on how to get there, and how to sign up for each different study. And then we also have another video tutorial specifically for participating in the lab studies, how to get to the lab, how to cancel an appointment if you have to. So be sure to check out those video tutorials for more details. We use a Sona ID number for all participants in order to maintain your confidentiality. Your name is not tied to the answers that you give, and your name is not tied to the studies that you participate in. Your instructor will only know whether you completed the requirement or not. And we do this in order to ensure your anonymity so that you can feel free to give us honest answers to the questions that we're asking in our studies. There is an alternative assignment. Instead of completing the studies, you can write 2 short reports for 2 case studies from Harvard Business Review. It should take you roughly the same amount of time, 2 hours, as participating in 2 hours of studies. The cases are found online. There's a link in your syllabus. This is also due by 5 p.m. on Friday of week 8. You email a digital copy to the lab manager at lcb-subjectpool@uoregon.edu. And again, the deadline is 5 p.m. on Friday of week 7. If you email the lab manager after that time, they cannot take the alternative assignment. It's not fair to the people who participated in the studies. And the reasons we offer this are that you have to be over 18 to participate in our lab studies, and we also don't want to coerce participation in a study. It's unethical, and we tend to get really bad information from people that don't want to be there. So pop quiz. When is the marketing research requirement due? 5 p.m. on Friday of week 7. How long should this assignment take you? 2 hours of undivided attention, whether you decide to participate in the studies or do the alternative assignment. It should take you 2 hours of undivided attention. Who do you contact for any marketing research requirement issues? Contact the BRI lab manager, not your instructor, but the BRI lab manager at lcb-subjectpool@uoregon.edu. And how do you sign up for studies? Go to the Marketing Sona website. There's a link in your syllabus. Best thing to do is use the link so you don't end up in the Psychology Sona website or Oregon State University Marketing Sona website, but the University of Oregon Marketing Sona website. And be sure to check out the Sona and lab tutorials for more info on how to complete this assignment. If you have any questions, again, the video tutorials on Sona and lab participation are going to be really good resources. And if they do not answer your specific question, you can email the lab manager at lcb-subjectpool@uoregon.edu. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in the lab.